In the vast theater of our universe, one tiny spacecraft continues its solitary journey through the darkness. A metallic messenger from a distant blue world, carrying humanity's hopes, dreams, and curiosity into the unknown. This is the story of Voyager 1. A story that began as an ambitious scientific mission, but has now evolved into something far more profound, something that could redefine our very understanding of our place in the cosmos. Before we dive into the extraordinary recent developments, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey that brought us here. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and buckle up, because this might be the most important story I've ever shared. In the annals of space exploration, few missions have captured the imagination like Voyager 1. Launched in September 1977, a time when the internet didn't exist, when most phones still had rotary dials, and when the original Star Wars had just hit theaters, this intrepid probe embarked on what scientists called the Grand Tour of the outer solar system. Weighing just 1,592 pounds and powered by electricity generated from the heat of decaying plutonium, Voyager 1 was designed for a primary mission lasting just 5 years. None could have predicted that nearly 5 decades later, this remarkable machine would still be communicating with Earth, or what it would eventually discover. The spacecraft's journey took it first to Jupiter in 1979, where it captured breathtaking images of the gas giant's swirling clouds, its iconic Great Red Spot, and its moons. These weren't just pretty pictures, they were scientific revelations. Voyager discovered Jupiter's faint rings, active volcanoes on Io, and the complex dynamics of the planet's massive magnetosphere. By 1980, Voyager 1 had reached Saturn, sending back the most detailed images yet of the planet's magnificent rings. It revealed the intricate structure of these cosmic wonders, thousands of ringlets within rings, braided formations, and strange spoke-like features that scientists still don't fully understand today. But perhaps most captivating was what Voyager showed us about Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Beneath its thick orange haze lay a world with a dense atmosphere and liquid methane lakes, a tantalizing glimpse of an alien environment that continues to fascinate scientists to this day. Think about this for a moment, a machine built with 1970s technology, operating millions of miles from home with less computing power than the smartphone in your pocket, was revealing wonders that humans had speculated about for centuries but never seen. This is what makes space exploration so powerful, it transforms the theoretical into the tangible. After completing its study of Saturn, Voyager 1's trajectory took it northward out of the plane of the planets, away from any further planetary encounters. Its primary mission complete, the spacecraft was now headed toward the outer reaches of our solar system, a region of which we knew very little. In 1990, before leaving our planetary neighborhood behind, Voyager 1 turned its camera back toward Earth at the request of astronomer Carl Sagan. From a distance of about 3.7 billion miles, our entire world appeared as nothing more than a pale blue dot, a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. On a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. As Voyager 1 pressed onward into the darkness, its cameras were turned off to conserve power, but its other instruments continued to gather data about the space environment. Year after year, decade after decade, the probe faithfully transmitted its findings back to Earth. The signals, traveling at the speed of light, took longer and longer to reach us, hours stretching into days. By 2012, something remarkable happened. Voyager 1's instruments detected a dramatic change in its surroundings. The charged particles from our Sun suddenly dropped away, while cosmic rays from interstellar space dramatically increased. Voyager 1 had crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. It became the first human-made object to leave our solar system and enter the vast gulf between stars. Think about that, a piece of human technology, built in the 1970s, had become an interstellar traveler. Now billions of miles from Earth, traveling at about 38,000 miles per hour, Voyager 1 continues its lonely sojourn into the great cosmic ocean. Though its primary mission ended decades ago, the probe continues to transmit faint signals back to Earth, a testament to the ingenuity of its creators. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel.